Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Prince. So guys, right now we are trying to go at where? Waterfall. So not only both of three, our
friends coming backside on the
backside.
So guys, welcome back to my channel.
I'm going to show you the place
Here I go.
where we are trying to go right now.
Right now we are going to party.
The road condition is very bad.
No.
Let me show you. This is how we are suffering right now for looking that waterfall, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, my makeup also falling down.
Even makeup.
1 kg of makeup. Oh, the makeup is falling down.
20 minutes later. A few moments later.
This is me. Where, Mills?
This is my farm. This is my farm. I'll show you the waterfall. Come with me.
Oh, let's go with her. So
I
here,
fall down and don't laugh.
right now we are about to reach the waterfall. I'm going to show you the place, the beautiful place of this waterfall. One by one. Let's start now. Let's go. Huh? Oh. See how we are suffering for making this block. Yeah, already. Yeah. From here we are going to slide. Isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. It's very slippery here. That's why here they are going that side. I'm going to wait for them. I'm going to shoot how they are sliding. So let's wait for them. Go! I'm clicking the slide for the water. This is the place. It will be very deep here. It's like let's click for them. Okay. How they are coming? So guys, I already come here, so I just leave them at the waterfall and I just come it. Right now I'm here. I'm sitting in this house here that at the water bottle there. So guys, I don't know about this vlog. If you like this video, so you comment down so I'll know that it is that the way you like or not. Right now I'm just standing here. It's very cold. The wind is also coming. So as the way I said, that if you really like this video, please subscribe and like the video. Don't forget to comment it. So I'm going to meet you again in the next vlog. Okay, so from now onward I'm going to continue my vlog and all. So I don't know what to say. It's very cold. Even my goosebumps also stretched back coming up. So I don't know what to say about it. So as I say that if you really like this video, you subscribe it and press the bell icon so you will get the first notification of my video. So from till now, take care. Bye bye.